Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Binance in Japan. Open the website or app, register with your email, complete ID verification carefully, and connect a JPY bank account or card for deposits. After funding, enable two-factor authentication and review basic spot and P2P sections. Start with small trades to learn order types and fees, and always withdraw coins to a secure wallet when not actively trading. To deposit JPY, use a supported bank transfer or debit/credit card option in the app, and follow the on-screen instructions to set up your payment method. Enter exact reference codes to avoid delays, then wait for confirmation notifications. Keep an eye on deposit limits and any fees shown during the process. Once funds appear, switch to the Spot or P2P tab to convert JPY into crypto for trading or holding long-term. If you're finding this guide useful, please subscribe and like the video to support the channel. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's Black Ice for a crisp, long-lasting scent that fits any commute and pairs nicely with wallet checks after trading. I've linked it and other deals in the description so you can find it easily. Now let's get back to the video. Begin trading by selecting Spot for straightforward market and limit orders, which are best for beginners learning execution and fee differences. Try one small limit order to buy a familiar coin, and check the order book to understand spread and liquidity. If you need JPY on ramp-off ramps, consider P2P trades with verified peers, reviewing ratings and payment instructions. Always set budget limits, and never risk funds you can't afford to lose.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.